Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. These potato pizza slices are so quick to make and simply scrumptious. There is no kneading involved. It is just the easiest way to spice up your meals and everyone will most certainly be asking for seconds. Let's start by slicing the washed potatoes into 1/2 centimeter rounds, leaving the skin on. I'll use 2 potatoes, but you can increase the ingredients according to how many servings you need. Transfer the potatoes to the baking sheet lined with parchment paper, spacing evenly. Now we carve lines on top of each potato. This way they'll cook faster and more evenly. Then brush with olive oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees for about 15 minutes. For the sauce, mix together 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of water, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. When the potatoes are done, take them out of the oven and spread each one with the sauce. Now add grated mozzarella cheese. Then top with your choice of toppings. We use pepperoni, corn, and cherry tomatoes. You can get as creative as you like with the toppings, just try to cut them into small pieces. It will be easier to fit and definitely looks better. Finally, top with the remaining mozzarella cheese. Put them back into the oven and bake for 10 more minutes or until the toppings are done to your taste. Hope you enjoy! As you can see, it comes together so easily. The toppings are endless, so you can customize it according to what you have on hand. You can have delicious homemade pizza slices you won't feel so guilty about in less than an hour. Need I say more? If you make this recipe, please let me know how it turned out for you, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified when we post a new recipe. Thanks for watching!